Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between Yoga and You and home cooking. Sometimes the most nourishing foods are the simplest. Tomatoes. Now, when they are fresh and in season, they are naturally vibrant, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. Today, we are making two refreshing tomato salads that come together with simple ingredients, fresh herbs, and wholesome flavors. So let's get started and check it out. The first salad I'm going to make is a marinated tomato salad. For this, I'm going to make the dressing first. To a small jar, I'm going to add all the ingredients of the marinade and give it a quick shake. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 3 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. Now if you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use lemon juice. Very finely chopped garlic, about 2 teaspoons. Finely chopped onion, about 1 tablespoon. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped basil and finely chopped coriander, about 1 tablespoon, 1/4 teaspoon salt and about 1 teaspoon pepper. Close the glass jar and give it a good shake. This is just a nice fun way to do it, but if you don't want to use a glass jar, you can always use a bowl and mix everything together. So you can also store the remaining salad dressing in the glass jar and refrigerate it. For the marinated tomato salad, I've taken the large size tomatoes. They're nice and ripe. Just slice them to about 1/2 centimeter in thickness. Just arrange them in a plate like this and just pour the salad dressing on the tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich and high in lycopene, which is a plant-based compound which improves your heart health. So once you've poured the salad dressing on the tomato slices, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before you serve them. So there is your marinated tomato salad. It's incredibly fresh and delicious with all those nice flavors of garlic, onion and the herbs. Everybody will love this and it's so refreshing. The next salad is a simple tomato and feta cheese salad. For this, I'm going to make the salad dressing. To a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. The extra virgin olive oil is not only healthy, but it also adds a lot of taste and flavor to your salad dressings. Next, add the juice of 1 small lemon, 1 teaspoon pepper, about 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic. Mix everything nicely. So this salad dressing is done. Keep this aside. To a bowl, add about 20 cherry tomatoes that have been cut into half. Slice 1 medium-sized cucumber. So make sure the slices are not too thin and cut them into half. Add them to the bowl. Next, add 1/2 cup of thinly sliced onions. Now I'm going to add about 100 grams of feta cheese that have been cut into small cubes. Next, I'm going to add a few finely chopped coriander leaves. Next, add a few mint leaves that have been finely chopped. Now pour the prepared salad dressing and mix everything together. So here is this light, refreshing and delicious tomato and feta cheese salad. A bowl of this is very filling and very refreshing. Whether you're looking for a light accompaniment to your meal or a fresh snack during warmer days, these recipes are easy to prepare and satisfying. We hope this recipe inspires you to include more fresh vegetables in your everyday meals. These two tomato salads are a beautiful reminder that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. With fresh ingredients, natural flavors, and simple preparation, they bring enjoyment in every bite. If you like our recipes, subscribe to our channel and share these recipes with your family, friends, and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay nourished, and stay happy.